Heathrow is one of the world's busiest two-runway airports, operating at 98% of its runway capacity. Most of the time, arriving and departing aircraft follow predetermined flight paths, but sometimes factors outside of Heathrow's control can affect our operations. These can subsequently affect local communities, airlines, and their passengers. One example is severe weather. This can include fog, snow, ice, and strong winds. But it's thunderstorms which have the greatest impact on displacing arriving and departing aircraft from their usual flight paths. For safety reasons, pilots rarely fly through thunderstorms. Where safe to do so, air traffic controllers will route aircraft around such weather patterns. This can result in aircraft flying in places where they are not commonly seen. Sometimes, if the thunderstorm is particularly severe, Heathrow air traffic controllers may need to stop all departures and hold arrivals away from the thunderstorm. After the thunderstorm has moved through Heathrow airspace, operations gradually return to normal. But because of this earlier disruption, airlines may need to delay, divert, or cancel flights. This can also lead to aircraft arriving and departing from Heathrow outside of our normal operational hours.